early. Finally, the day has come. I have my lock appointment this morning. Y'all, I haven't got my hair locked in it's been 12 weeks as of today. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Yeah, it's time for a transformation. So I'm getting ready to head to the subway and get to my hair appointment. Here we go. All right, you guys, I'm headed to get my hair done. About 15 minutes early, so I'm about to head in. All right, we are headed up to the second floor, which is NappStarr. Don't talk to me. You heard me, don't talk to me. I'm a New Yorker now. Y'all see this hair? Yeah, I just got my retwist today. Don't talk to me. Don't talk. You guys, I just wanted to show you all the Instagram page of NappStarr. This is where I go to in New York to get my hair retwisted. It is $114 for a comb retwist. Very reasonable. You get your hair washed. It's just awesome there. So check them out if you live in the New York area.